guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I have a very fun video for you guys today. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my October restock for my Etsy shop, Perky's Petites. Please buy now because it is all stocked up for October. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys all of October's restock. I only have like one of each item though, because once I see the order, then I will make it and then I'll ship it to you. So like, do you kind of know what I mean? Okay, good. So I'm also going to be doing a cover of the song Strawberry Cow. It's a very iconic song. It's a little silly, but that's okay because we're silly billies. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say, but enjoy the video, and I have bad bangs today, so let's go.
Okay, yeah, editing Naomi, I definitely do have some more to say. So the ukulele playing in the background, like for the music of my Strawberry Cow cover, was actually like played by AG Films because she has talent and I don't have any talent in ukuleleing. So yeah, thank you so much AG Films for doing that for me. Yes, Billy.
And I know this is not October 1st. I said I'm gonna like make a restock video like the first of every month, but that clearly didn't happen. So hopefully this gets out to you like next week. So yeah. All right, action. I love everybody because I love you. When you stood up, tried to aim away, and the grass where you lay left the bed in your shape. I looked over it and I smiled. I love everybody because I love you. I don't need a city and I don't need proof. Oh, all I need, darling, is a life in your shape. I picture it soft and I smile. Look at you, strawberry cow. Da 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 da. Reach out to the sky and try to hold the wind. You tell me you love grass and I give you a grin. Oh, all I ever wanted was a friend like you. So I follow white flowers, keep my eyes to the sky as I smile. Look at you, strawberry cow, you make me go wow. I love it when you move my name. Can't you hear the bumblebee swarm? I'm watching your horns. I love it when you look my way. Look at you, strawberry cow, you make me go wow. I love it when you move my name. Can't you hear the bumblebee swarm? I'm watching your horns. I love it when you look my way. Look at you, strawberry cow, you make me go wow. I love it when you move my name. Can't you hear the bumblebee swarm? I'm watching your horns. I love it when you look my way. Moo 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 moo.
Okay, so I forgot to film an outro, but now I'm filming it now. Alright, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please consider buying from my Etsy shop. It would mean so much. I am also going to be improving my packaging, so you'll get like a little bonus and a little business card that I have ordered. So, they should be coming pretty soon. So yeah, if you made it this far, make sure to comment down below. Chicken nuggies are the best, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.